Let us know what EAS.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch, issued at 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm watch number 63 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in West Virginia, Lewis, and Upshur. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. Stay tuned to our weather radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. These are the regional weather observations at 8 p.m.
1:03 Thursday 9:29 a.m.
So that does not hit those FMs.
Channel frequency mode.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest